Hello, my name is Sebastian, and today I will be upgrading my Hackintosh with an M.2 NVMe drive from Samsung. How to open a box? I've bought Samsung 970 Evo Plus NVMe M.2 drive. There is no particular reason why I choose the Plus version. Okay, so there is actually a particular reason why I choose the Plus version, because it was cheaper than the standard version, and in the comparisons it was shown that Evo Plus is able to maintain higher data transfer rates in longer periods of time than the standard version. So yeah, why not? We're going to install it here. Hopefully there's a screw also in the box. Luckily there is a screw in the box for the motherboard. Why you might want a fast SSD drive? First of all, it will affect your computer's responsiveness. Boot times are going to be lower, copying files is going to be faster, it will be much easier to edit higher resolution videos like 4K. I did a speed test of my older drive and the new drive as well, and as you can see, the write and read speeds are quite significant. So if you're on a budget and can afford faster computers, swapping the drive might be your next best option.